ZT Dive Bossy is the first waist scooter in the world which can really free the hands and solving the industry pain points. It can provide power for the underwater operations. It is suitable for all kinds of professional underwater work. Safe and easy to control, it can help to save more energy to stay longer in the water and can be used for underwater photography. 2 variable speed. You can always switch to high gear to get to your destination to improve your work efficiency. The high speed can be up to 1.8 meters per second. It can be used for underwater rescue and other fields. Twin propeller drive. No matter which way you turn, it can ensure smooth movement. Large capacity battery makes the battery life can be up to 60 minutes. The battery can be installed into the scooter or the gas cylinder for freediving or scuba diving. ZT Dive Bossy is an innovative scooter for scuba diving or other underwater works.